Alrighty guys, good morning. This is David over here at D's Garage in the city of Corona, California. So today we're gonna be working on this 2014 High Country Duramax diesel. We're gonna be installing some cab lights, guys. Oh yeah. That seal might be a little busted. That's where that's coming from. I see it now. You see that little guy right there? All right. Anyways, we're gonna be installing the lights here. Let me show you guys the lights. But let me show off the truck, man. This thing's got a lot of work on it. Looks nice. Here we go. We got some cab lights. These are the original OEM lights for this truck, guys. So these are all OEM parts. Along with the wiring harness. So we got everything we need. I got all the part numbers. I'm gonna be sharing with you guys. I'm gonna be sharing those with you guys shortly after the process is all done and done deal. Just wanna make sure everything fits and plugs in nicely. All right, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna install those, seal them up, cut it up, get it going, get them back on the road. We're also gonna be tinting the front windshield with our ceramic window film, 55%. We're gonna remove that windshield strip, tint it, and we're gonna be reapplying the strip with our color stable film, and then we're also gonna be doing the sunroof. But first, I gotta get these cab lights done because you don't want to scratch up the tint. You don't want to do the tint first and then do this. You want to take care of the tint first and then do, You want to take care of the cab lights first and then do that. So let's get started. We're going to take some measurements, get our templates, do what we do, and get this truck out of here by today. So let's go. Where's my flash on? Alrighty guys, so far we got them mounted, siliconed, ready to go. We did get a little rain out here, light sprinkle, but what I like to do is put some pressure on there in between those gaps, and then I'm gonna check for any leaks. So gotta do that. All right, so the other step you gotta do is blow some air on those suckers to make sure it holds up. Now let's get our light and check for leaks. Cab lights installation and a windshield tint with the strip using our ceramic film. Looks good.